Here it says managers of retail store conduct a customer count to help them decide how to roster sales staff. The results are shown in the line graph. So for part A is it asks what are the variables. So for variables I go for horizontal line and C for a horizontal line. For horizontal axis I have time. And for the vertical line or vertical axis I have number of shoppers in store. So I have two variables. I will write them time of day and the number of shoppers in store. So for part B, it asks at what time was the number of people in the store is greatest. So greatest, I have to look at this graph, track this graph to see where is my peak. The peak is at 11 a.m. So I say 11 a.m. And part 2 as list. The list is, if I track this graph again, I will see the list would be in 8 p.m. So I write it 8 p.m. Sorry, 8 p.m. The next part I ask describe what happened in the store between 3 p.m. and 4 p.m. Between 3 p.m. and here is 4 p.m. I will see the graph increased. So I can say the number of shopper increase. So I will write it down. The number of customer, right? Customer, customer increase. Oh, I don't know what have increase from 13 to 39. If look here, we will see the number of customer increase from almost approximately 13 to 39. So the last part asks use a graph to estimate the number of people in the store at 9:30 a.m. 9:30 a.m. would be almost here. And if I continue from 9:30 to the vertical line till I cut the graph, we will see I will cut in this point, which is almost, if I go for vertical line, which is almost 28. So I write 28 people.